Good afternoon, everyone. It's Lisa with Power Wash Store Central PA, giving you a look here at our most recent box truck build. This one is a 16-foot box truck for one of our customers in Virginia. It's going to have both a soft wash system and a pressure washer. The pressure washer is down here on the bottom. It's one of our gear drive units. 8 gallons per minute, 3,500 PSI with a GX 690. And then it's fueled by the 11-gallon fuel tank that's sitting in front. On top of that, we have our proportioner and a 1/2-inch All Flo Air diaphragm pump for the soft wash system. To run that air diaphragm pump, we have a VMACC air compressor, which is sitting back here, and that is plumbed with a Tsunami. You can see that little orange dot back there. That's the top of the Tsunami air dryer. That's going to help keep that pump from stalling. On this table as well here, you can see we have some ball valves. The ball valve on the right is going to be our proportion or flush valve. And then the ball valve on the left with that plug above it is going to be a bleach fill line. We always plumb these rigs so that you don't have to get in the truck to, fill up your tank. What this customer is going to do is just hook up their hose to that plug that is right there, and then they will be able to pump the bleach directly into the tank. We do have that on a 3-way ball valve system, so whenever they're finished filling their tank with bleach, they can flush out their pump with water. We're not going to pollute that bleach tank with water. It's going to actually come out through that clear hose, and it will run out through the bottom of the truck here. Over here we have our hose reels. There's only 2 installed right now. We're waiting on another one to arrive. These are 18-inch Titan electric hose reels. Down here we have our garden hose fill. So we're going to set this one up to bypass the hose reels with our garden hose feed. So you'll pull the hose off of the hose reel, and then you'll just connect it into this plug down here on that little mounting bracket. And then it flows through our clear cup filter and then finally back to the tanks in the back of the truck. As far as the tanks go, we have 2 200-gallon tanks, one on the right and one on the left. 55-gallon bleach tank in the middle, and then down on the floor are 2 7-gallon tanks with a ball valve on top, so you can switch between which tank you're going to be using with the proportioner system. So you can, have your surfactant in one, you can have your agent halt in the other for bleach neutralizing, and you can easily switch back and forth between those two different surfactants or neutralizers, degreasers, whatever you may choose to put in there. Again, this is Lisa with the Power Wash Store of Central PA. Just giving you a look here at one of our custom box truck builds. If you're looking to have a new build done in the future, please consider us for your needs. Give us a call at 717-378-2276. Thanks for watching and have a great day.